Right, dashboard is all out. Start pulling all the other little cables through. I'm now going to start removing the air vents on both sides, and then that should allow us to get to the windscreen wiper mechanisms. So 2 bolts holding these air vents in, 5/16. They're loose at the top, so I can just ease those out either side. Get that done. Okay, so the little windscreen wiper jets just unscrew from underneath. The plastic pipe just pulls off. They unscrew and pull through. And then these jets themselves, they're only finger tight really. They unwind. Trim pulls off, and the gasket. And just push through.